Hey!
What's in your pouch?
My pouch. Whoosh. I got my Paolini Pocket Rule.
Cool.
I've seen you guys use these.
Oh man, when did you get that?
I just got it yesterday, actually. Came in the mail.
Okay, I'll have to send it back. I got you one for Christmas, Big B. It's all right. I got you one with a longer ruler.
Oh, well, there you go. I'll just keep it.
So
I'll have both.
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Show me how to use it. What are you going to use it for?
Well, I know that you can do, if you're on a piece of material, you can, I've obviously set this here so you can know where to put your marks.
Okay, and you get your groove right there.
Got your groove.
Pencil. Okay.
But I noticed this gap. What's that gap for?
Okay, so let me see. It says Paolini Pocket Rule, and oh, look at mine. Mine's very old. Okay. Okay, this is what I wanted to check. It's you got imperial. Okay, cool. You got metric. I really like this. Okay, there it is. There's a picture right there for what it's for.
Oh, okay.
So do you know what it's for?
No.
Okay.
No.
So the beauty of this is you have the scale on the end. Mm-hmm. And I've always used a ruler like this to set height for router bits if I don't have a gauge block.
Oh, okay.
So what happens is you have it, lo and behold, like this on a router table, and this thing doesn't balance. So Greg's invention, which is brilliant, is you'll notice the notch in here. See it? Mm-hmm. This is basically a balancer. For here, it works like a combination square. But if I take it and I tuck it in here like this, it falls, look, see how that falls right in the notch?
Oh, wow.
So now, that's basically the balancer. So it really makes it easy to set up your heights on your router table for your bits.
That's super cool.
Cool. And this is probably one of the best things I've ever gotten from woodpeckers.
Well,
cool.
I'm excited to get to using it.
You betcha.